All right, hello friends and followers. So I've had this soldering iron forever. Since 1980 when I worked as a technician at Omnidata in Logan, Utah, and they gave it to me to build kits with it. And I had an identical one at work to fix omnicorders. Omnicorders, what were they called? Polycorders, which used an 1802 processor and all CMOS. And they were battery operated for doing agronomy. Howard Schimmelfinning was the design engineer. Ronald Campbell was the owner. Great company. Anyway, this pencil expired and I was going crazy trying to figure out why there's a 3 amp fuse in this unit. They don't fuse the primary. This thing will always come on. The secondary is fused. The secondary here puts out AC voltage. Where's the plug for this thing? There it is. That plug puts out AC voltage. And that heads up here, they have 3 wires, of course. They have a ground wire and they have 2 AC wires. So since my cord was kiboshed, I took an Apple power cord that went to an Apple computer, and it's a little too stiff for my needs for this thing, and it's a little too, what's the word? A little too thick. The wires are too heavy, but it worked. So that's what I'm doing now. I'm just gonna wire in the heating element now and the ground and stuff this back together, and it should work. I checked my resistance on the heating element. It's 12.5 ohms. I'm not sure what it should be, but it fired up if I hooked it up directly. The little switch still works, so the switch itself is ingenious, and I think that's what made Weller their patents. You can, when this heats up, the switch will disengage and the heating element goes off. When it cools down, the switch engages. There's a magnet in here, and this thing, this tip I think is magnetic or has some type of magnetic effect. And the switch is way down here. Little spring down there. So I'm going to put the wires back on, cut them to length, and put this back together. Hopefully I'll have a soldering iron again. The only thing I couldn't replicate was they had a little piece of rubber coming out of here. I couldn't make that fit, threw it out. I do have strain relief in here that I kind of lucked out, and well, I can show you that. This will all pop off here, and you can see I have some really good strain relief on here that I just simply clamp that piece back onto the cord, and it's on there well. So I think this thing will last for as long as it will last. I'm not sure it's going to last, oh my gosh, 40 years again, but I can hope. I don't think I'm going to last that long. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.